Here in this video I gonna show you how to fix your Apple Watch is not charging issue. Stuck on charging red or green /black screen. First solution is remove wrapper around your Apple Watch. Remove plastic cover on Apple Watch and charging cover, then check again. Second solution is there is a problem with charging cable. Try with another Apple Watch charger. I recommend don't use third-party charging pad or accessories. The third solution has removed the case if you are using. Most of the people are using a protective case. The fourth solution is to use another plug or socket to charge your Apple Watch. First solution is hard reboot your Apple Watch and get out from stuck screen, press and hold side button only to get turn off Apple Watch screen. Fifth and last solution is to restore your Apple Watch. Restoring process remove all unwanted data, repair bugs and fix the all Apple Watch problems for all time from the root. Follow me to do. Erase all content and settings from your watch or from iPhone. On your Apple Watch go to the Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll to Reset option. Next to Reset tap on Erase all content and settings. It will take time, because Apple Watch will take backup on iPhone at first. After erase the watch, pair again your Apple Watch to iPhone from Watch app or on screen setup. During the restore, you can select Hold latest backup to retrieve Apple Watch settings, photos, and songs. That's it. If you enjoyed this video, like it and hit that subscribe button and tap on bell icon to get the latest video notifications alert. Also be sure to follow on social media and we'll see in the next video.